Good afternoon. Today we are going to touch on PALS 2, page 32, on grammar, past continuous. There are 4 parts here: affirmative, negative, questions, and short answers. I'm going to put it in such form rather than to divide them. Alright, as you can see here, exercise 1. Complete the table with the past continuous form of rain, sit, and listen. As usual, before you start writing, please write down the day and the date. And I would like you to put an adjective in front of the day. So I put it as windy Friday, 21st of May 2021. Now come back to this exercise. The first will be affirmative. It was going for a walk. Negative. And remember, negative, we always need to put not there. So it wasn't listening to music. Next, wait, there's an it here, right? And here we can say, was it raining? So there's a rain here, right? Listen, we have taken, so left this rain. Was it raining? Yes, it was. Alright, so to write it better, I'll put it like this. There's a question mark. Can see the question mark here. Alright, so again, it wasn't listening to music. Number 2, was it raining? Let's go to the next part. Affirmative. 3, they, so we put were. Don't forget this is past continuous, so they were sitting under a tree. They weren't standing in the rain. Were they talking? No, they weren't. Next, exercise 2. Read the table and choose the correct words to complete rules A and B. A. We use the past continuous to talk about. There are 2 here, you need to pick one. So it is something about going on, but it is in the past. So we'll pick actions in progress. Alright, actions in progress rather than this, because this is for past simple, but else this is for past continuous. So answer is actions in progress in the past. B. We form the past continuous with was or were. And definitely we put an ing at the back, right? Form of the verb. So you just need to write or pick one. Next, exercise 3. Read the spelling rules on page 39. Then write the ing form of the verbs in the box. Well, here, for this, we'll just put in ing. And here, the same thing, ing. Alright, for exercise 2, we'll just write actions in progress. Sorry. Alright, next. This is the ing. Alright, and here you just need to put telling. What about do? Doing. Lie, Well, for IE at the back here, we just do away with the IE. We take away IE and we replace it with YING. So, lying. And come, take away the E, and it is, we just add in ING. What about running? Alright, this is consonant, so we double up the N, so it becomes running. Okay, next. What were they doing? Write complete questions and answers. So let's look at the example given here. He ski / I ski. Question: was he skiing? No, he wasn't. He was ice skating. Right, let's look at question 1 here. They swim in the sea? How to make a question? They. So they, we use were. We use were they swimming in the sea? Question mark. Next, this is for the answer, swim in a pool. We say no, comma, they weren't. They were swimming in a pool. Next, she sleep. He, she, it, we use was. Was she sleeping? No, she wasn't. She was reading. Okay, next. They fight, so they, we use were. Were they fighting? No, they were not, or they weren't. They were playing. Next, it lie on the bed. Remember, IE, we do with the IE and we put down YING. So it is was. Was it lying on the bed? No, it wasn't. It was lying on the sofa. Question 5. He, she, it, we use was. Was he watching TV? No, he wasn't. He was playing computer games. Right? And the last question, she go windsurfing. So he, she, it, we put was. She going windsurfing. No, she wasn't. Play volleyball, so we say she was playing volleyball. Alright, let's go to the next part. Exercise 5. Complete Tom's email with the past continuous form of the verbs in brackets. Hi, Emma. Something really strange happened to me today. You see, when you have to walk here, we use was. So we put was. And when you have was at the front, you put in ing for the verb. So I was walking. See? Right. I was walking home from school, and suddenly lots of apples started falling out of the sky. I couldn't believe it. Eat. So he, she, it, we use was. And again, we put in ing at the back. It was raining apples. Where? Come. So they, we put were. This is asking a question. Where were they coming from? Take away you put in ing. I went home and told my mom and brother, but they say I was not telling the truth. However, that evening my mom and dad more than one, so we put were watching. Near the news on TV and they heard the story. Nobody knows why the apples fell out of the sky. Alright, but they did. I was not lying. So take away the IE, become lying. See you soon, Tom. Now, as for adverbs, here we use adjectives to tell us more about nouns. And here for adverbs, it tells us more about verbs. For example, it was a bright sunny day. Now, bright and sunny, they are adjectives, alright, to tell us more about the noun. Day is a noun. Well, as for the next sentence here, the sun was shining. Was shining is a verb. Brightly, alright, brightly. So it tells that the sun was shining brightly, really bright there. So here, this is adverb. Let's look at exercise 6. Refer to page 39. Copy and complete the table with the adverbs of the adjectives in the box. So there are 6 words here. Regular. So which word here that we can put in ly? We have one, bad, and we have careful. So here, badly. Next, carefully. And noisily, why? Yeah, here why we change it to ILY. So noisily, and we have one here with Y, easily. Next, irregular. Irregular, there is no ly. That's why it's called irregular. So we have hard. As for good, well, we change it to well. Yeah, good is an adjective. Alright, this is an adjective for good. As for well, this is an adverb. Next, exercise 7. Choose the correct words to complete the advice. Alright, there are 2 words on each sentence here according to your textbook. Here it is. Number 1, The roads are icy. Drive careful or carefully. Right, this is to explain more on the verb, so we put down carefully. It was raining. Yes, here was raining hard. Well, why not hardly? Hardly is a different meaning. Yeah, hardly. It hardly rain these days. It means it doesn't rain much these days. Where else for it was raining hard, it was pouring. It was pouring and it was raining heavily yesterday. That's what the word hard means. 3. There's a storm. Come inside quickly. Next, the sun was shining very brightly today. Next is snowing. Dress. See, warmly would be a better answer because it explains on the verb. It tells us more about the verb. Last, when it's foggy, you want drivers to see you easily. Now, we don't put in easy because easy is an adjective. So easily is an adverb. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening.